Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope your day is going great or has been great for those living in different time zones. This is Aisha Tahir and today I'll be discussing about 20 health benefits of beetroots. So let's get started. The beautiful and bright color of beetroots can make anyone fall in love with it, yet it is often ignored, perhaps because of its distinctive taste. If you're not a fan, you should know that beetroot has been gaining amazing popularity as the new superfood around the world. It's low in fat, full of powerful antioxidant, rich in vitamin C, and helps in the absorption of iron. Both the leaves and roots can be eaten. While the pink root is sweet, the dark green leaves are bitter, but very rich in calcium, iron, and vitamin A. Beetroots are best enjoyed raw and uncooked as cooking may destroy most of its nutrients. You can add them in salads or easier to just juice them up. Beetroots are one of the healthiest vegetables you can juice, indeed. A glass of beetroot juice helps in giving you all the vitamins and minerals in a concentrated form. If your mixture is too thick, you can add some water to balance the consistency. Don't remove the pulp, that's where all your fiber is. Also remember that plain beetroot juice may contain oxalic acid and therefore it is good to blend it with other fruits or vegetables. This will also help in adding additional flavor and nutrition. For instance, beetroots and carrots make a lovely pair. Number 1. Manages your blood pressure. One of the benefits of beetroot juice can help in lowering high blood pressure. Researchers have attributed this to the presence of nitrates in beets. The naturally occurring nitrates increase nitric oxide found in the blood vessels, which allow more oxygen to flow to your brain, heart, and muscles, and thus lowering high blood pressure. Blood nitrate level remains elevated for about 6 hours after eating dietary nitrate. Therefore, beets only have a temporary effect on blood pressure, and regular consumption is required to experience long-term reduction in blood pressure. Number 2. Gives you glowing skin. Beetroot juice acts as a great blood purifier, which is a key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. Beetroots are also rich in vitamin C, which helps in clearing blemishes and even out your skin tone while giving it a natural glow. Beetroot ingestion has been found to prevent skin cancer. Also, beets contain vitamin A that maintains healthy mucous membranes and improves skin health. Vitamin A also supports the daily replacement of skin cells. Number 3. A great way to detox naturally. Beetroots are a unique source of betaine, a type of phytonutrient. These compounds are known to provide powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. For long, beetroot has been known as the liver protective food. It is a great liver cleanser and helps in flushing out all the toxins. With the help of compounds like methionine and glycine, it prevents fatty acid from building up and stimulates the liver cells. Number 4. Boosts energy and stamina. Beetroot juice helps in opening the blood vessels and thus increases the flow of oxygen throughout your body, making you feel more energetic and active. This is probably why it's best to have it early morning to wake up your sleepy organs. It has been often promoted as a great workout drink and good for athletes as it increases the flow of oxygen to the muscles, preparing them for the stress ahead. Number 5. Good for digestion. Beetroot juice with a pulp is full of fiber, which helps in regulating your digestive process and also relieves constipation. Beetroot is also rich in betaine, which is an agent thought to be beneficial for good digestive health. It is said that betaine increases stomach acid levels in order to improve digestion. A glass of beetroot juice is also a great home remedy for an upset stomach. Number 6. Lowers blood glucose. Though high in sugar, beetroot actually helps in regulating your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that it does not lead to high sugar concentration in the blood. This simply means that the natural sugars in beetroot are released very slowly in the body and thus prevents sudden spikes. In the form of the juice, it actually helps diabetes. Number 7. Beets fight cancer. Beets contain high level of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agents that help reduce the risk of cancers. They get their striking red color from beta-cyanine, a plant pigment that some preliminary research indicates help defend cells against harmful carcinogens. Also, high levels of a unique fiber found in beets may be linked to a lower colon cancer risk. Beetroot juice, when taken along with carrot extract, was found to aid in the treatment of leukemia. Numerous studies have supported the anti-cancer and chemopreventive properties of beets. In another study, betanin was found to decrease cancer cell proliferation significantly. Number 8. Beets lower risk of heart disease. Beets are a good source of folate and betanin. These nutrients act together to help lower blood levels of homocysteine, which can increase your risk of heart disease by causing artery-damaging inflammation. Number 9. Beets reduce the risk of strokes. A deficiency of potassium in the body increases the risk of strokes, and so the beetroot that is rich in potassium is recommended to improve heart health. Potassium relaxes the blood vessels and reduces blood pressure throughout the body. Blood clots are less likely to form when blood pressure is reduced and vessels and arteries are no longer contracted. Number 10. Beets boost eye health. Beet greens are a good source of lutein, an antioxidant that helps protect the eye from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They also contain a wide variety of phytochemicals that help improve the health of your eyes and nerve tissues. Number 11. Beets reduce dementia risk. Beets produce nitric acid, which helps increase blood flow throughout your body, including to your brain. MRIs done on older adults showed that after eating a high nitrate diet that included beet juice, the subjects had more blood flow to the white matter of their frontal lobes. Number 12. Beets combat constipation. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, and beets are chock full of it. Number 13. Beets will strengthen the immune system. Beets are high in immune-boosting vitamin C, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium that is essential for the health of nerves and muscles function. Beet greens help boost bone strength and strengthen your immune system by stimulating the production of antibodies and white blood cells. Number 14. Help prevent osteoporosis. We have already seen that nitrates in the beets gets converted into nitric oxide in the body. A study states that nitric oxide can help prevent certain lifestyle-related diseases, including osteoporosis. Another reason beetroot is good for treating osteoporosis is the presence of silica. The mineral is required by the body to utilize calcium efficiently. Having a glass of beetroot juice every day can keep osteoporosis and other related ailments like the brittle bone diseases at bay. Beets contain calcium, which may also help strengthen bones and teeth. Number 15. Can promote liver health. Beetroot contains betanin, a substance that helps prevent or reduce fatty deposits in the liver. Betanin may also help protect your liver from toxins. Number 16. Promote brain health. Beets are known to improve brain neuroplasticity by improving the oxygenation of the somatomotor cortex, the brain area that is usually affected in the early stages of dementia. Beetroot juice has been also found to prevent Alzheimer's. Those who drank beetroot juice had healthier brains and improved cognitive functioning. Number 17. Help treat anemia. We know that deficiency of iron causes anemia. It has been found that beets are rich in iron and the absorption of iron is better from beetroot than a few other vegetables. Beetroot also has better iron content than beet greens. Number 18. Helps you maintain a healthy weight. Despite their low calorie content, beets contain moderate amounts of protein and fiber. These are both important nutrients for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber in beets also help promote weight loss by reducing appetite and promoting feeling of fullness, thereby reducing overall calorie intake. Number 19. Good source of other minerals. Your body can't function properly without essential minerals. Some minerals boost your immune system, while others support healthy bones and teeth. Besides potassium, beetroot juice provides calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, sodium, zinc, copper, and selenium. Number 20. Provides vitamin C. Beetroot juice is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect cells from damaging free radicals. It also supports collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. Precautions. Your urine and stools may turn red or pinkish after eating beets. This condition, known as butyrrhea, is harmless, but it may be startling if you don't expect it. If you have low blood pressure, drinking beetroot juice regularly may increase the risk of your pressure dropping too low. Monitor your blood pressure carefully. Beets are healthy no matter how you prepare them. But juicing beets is a superior way to enjoy them because cooking beets reduces their nutritional profile. If you don't like beetroot juice straight up, Try adding some apple slices, mint, citrus, or a carrot to cut through the earthy taste. If you decide to add beetroot juice to your diet, take it easy at first. Start by juicing half a small beetroot and see how your body responds. As your body adjusts, you can drink more. And if you want to know the recipe of beetroot, there is a link in the description. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press the bell icon down below to see the notification and be the first one to watch the videos.